Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into something that's making waves in the tech world, the Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL.
Thanks for having me. WSL is a game changer for running Linux tools directly on Windows without needing a VM or dual boot.
Right, so for our listeners who might not be familiar, could you explain what WSL really does?
Sure, WSL allows users to run their favorite Linux command line tools and applications natively on Windows, seamlessly.
That sounds super convenient. What kind of tools can users run with WSL?
Pretty much anything, from development tools to scripting languages like Python, Ruby, or even Docker containers.
Wow. So it's like having a whole Linux environment without the hassle of managing multiple systems?
Exactly. It streamlines workflows for developers who use both Windows and Linux.
And how easy is it to set up? I imagine some listeners might be intimidated by this.
It's actually quite simple. One command in the Windows command line and you're off to the races.
That's not as scary as I thought. What about the user interface? Can you run GUI apps too?
Yes, with WSLG, users can run Linux GUI apps alongside their Windows applications seamlessly.
That's fantastic. Any tips for new users or best practices?
Definitely. I recommend checking out the WSL documentation for insights into optimization and troubleshooting.
Speaking of troubleshooting, what happens if users encounter issues?
There's a great community and resources available, and you can even file issues directly on GitHub.
What about privacy? Are there any data collection aspects users should worry about?
WSL does collect basic diagnostic data, but users can opt out. Transparency is key to Microsoft.
This has been really enlightening. As a final thought, what excites you most about WSL's future?
I think with WSL, the integration of tools across Windows and Linux will only get better, leading to powerful new workflows.
Absolutely. Thanks for sharing your insights today. It's clear that WSL is bridging the gap beautifully.
Thanks for having me. I hope everyone gives WSL a try.
For sure. So listeners, if you're curious about combining the best of both worlds, WSL might be your answer. Happy coding.